Easy come, easy go.
Hey Sampath, start.
Hi guys, this is Sampath from KD Studio, and today I just want to share a very good fact with you. Actually, the earphones are more popular in our daily life because we can use them and just we can be like we don't care for you like that. So the earphones are awesome, guys, and actually using those earphones are the most irritating things for anyone because they are good, but sometimes they will get messed up like this, and this irritates us the most, and this was the most irritating fact for me too. So why do you need these kind of earphones? Let's step in the future, guys. So let's throw them into trash. So guys, today we have the Mivi Thunderbeats earphones, wireless, and now let's unbox it, guys. So guys, this is the instruction manual, and this deserves for Akshay. Hey, take on Akshay. So, who needs this box now? All matters is earphones now. So guys, these earphones have two unique features. Unlike any other Bluetooth earphones, these have a magnetic lock, so they stay with you all time, and they can connect to two devices at once. So guys, along with the earphones, we got a hard case for traveling this earphone anyway. So see it. So guys, we also got a nice gift here. Let's open it. In it, guys, we have this, a USB plug for charging, and some earphones and earplugs for the earphones. So this is the USB plug for charging this device, and we also got the extra earphones and extra earplugs. They can fit your size. They are different sizes: small, medium, and large. So this is all we got in the case. Now let's pair these earphones to my iPad and see how it works. So guys, at last I got relief from this nasty mess. And guys, if you are searching for an earphone that should have a very great bass, then this is the best piece. And I'm also leaving the links in the description for the Amazon, so you can go and check this product out. And bye guys, see you in the video. Please subscribe, like and share.